Welcome back to Worldwide Exchange. It is expected somewhat that a business will fall victim to a ransomware attack every 11 seconds in 2021. That's according to one report. And for years, Bitcoin has been the currency of choice for virtually all ransom payments because it isn't controlled by a central bank or a government entity. Think the recent JBS or Colonial Pipeline attacks. But hackers are now starting to request less traceable, even less traceable, more anonymous Bitcoin alternatives. CNBC technology reporter Mackenzie Sagalas joins us now with the latest on this new twist. And Mackenzie, good morning. Why are cyber criminals now ditching Bitcoin? It was such a popular mode of transferring value for the last several years.
Good morning, Dom. So one of the core features of Bitcoin is that its public ledger, which stores all token transactions in its history, is visible to everyone. So this is why the savvier hackers are turning to Monero, which has additional anonymity built into it. Monero is considered a privacy token, which means that it hides virtually all transaction details, which allows cyber criminals greater freedom from some of the tracking tools that authorities have developed to trace payments on Bitcoin's blockchain.
Now, okay, so we're looking at this Monero, anonymous crypto coin. It has a lot of features that protect kind of the identity anonymity. Does it mean now that we're at a tipping point for Monero? I follow cryptocurrencies somewhat. I'm not a crypto enthusiast, but I've never really even heard of Monero. Is this about to take on the ransomware side of things a little bit more? Are they going to request criminals Monero instead of Bitcoin because of these? I just don't feel as though it's got the same kind of brand awareness that many of these other cryptocurrencies do.
I spoke to Digital Mint, a company that helps corporate victims pay ransoms in cryptocurrency. And they told me that 90 to 95% of ransoms are paid in Bitcoin, but Monero is an increasingly popular option. That said, there are a few big limitations when it comes to dealing in Monero. For one, it's not as liquid as other cryptocurrencies, in part because many regulated exchanges have chosen not to list it due to regulatory concerns. So in practice, that means that it can be harder for hackers to cash out their Monero to US dollars.
Now, okay, so if there's not a lot of liquidity and it's not as well used, what exactly then does get Monero to that next level, to the level that you say maybe some of the altcoins are at, and eventually what's happening with Bitcoin?
It just all comes back to its public ledger, its blockchain that underpins Monero, and the fact that it's very difficult to see who the sender is, who the recipient is, what the transaction amount is. And I think that a lot of cyber criminals are banking on the fact that those on and off ramps that connect fiat cash with like the digital token will get better. And there will be more ways to liquidate their digital token stake, if you will. And I think that that's why we're seeing things trending in that direction.
All right, Mackenzie, I understand that you are heading to Miami later on this week. Apparently that city is increasingly becoming synonymous with all things Bitcoin. Of course, they just had that massive conference over the last week or so. What exactly is driving a lot of this action towards Miami and cryptocurrency?
Yeah, so a lot of people I've spoken with say that they're super bullish on Florida and they're bearish on cities like New York and San Francisco. So you have crypto startups, venture firms, digital currency exchanges that are all relocating to Miami en masse. And some are calling it the, quote, Miami migration. And it has a lot to do with Mayor Francis Suarez, who has portrayed himself as Bitcoin friendly. He announced in February that Miami plans to accept tax payments in Bitcoin, and the city wants to let employees draw their salary in the cryptocurrency as well. The city of Miami also exploring holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet, which I definitely plan to ask Mayor Suarez about when I interview him in Miami later this week.
All right, it's certainly a tropical place for all those crypto enthusiasts as well. Thank you very much, Mackenzie Sagalas, and have a nice trip in Miami. And be sure, folks, to check out her column right now for Monero on CNBC.com right now. I've learned a lot about it. I didn't know what Monero was, but it's certainly an eye-opening piece there just about what kinds of things are happening in the crypto industry.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.